Please. I'm begging you. Let's pretend as if we're at peace for now and put Mama to rest first. Biko.
Mama, which kind of thing you are saying like this? It's offending me. I don't like him. Where will Udoka come and be insulting me? He get my fight me. See, let me tell you, that thing what Udoka say you have, let him bring it on. I will face her and face whatever rubbish she thinks she have. I will face her.
Ebere, see, you can do whatever you want to do after the burial. Nobody will stop you. But please, let's just put Mama to rest. Please. That's all. Remember what Uncle said though. After burial, we can solve any problems we have. Please. Biko, no. My sister, please now. Please.
Because you are the only sister I have now, I don't feel like maybe they suffer for ground as you done. So I had you.
Which one is you had me? You have had me.
That be the thing now. The thing where you talk, I had it. I've had the thing you say. The thing you tell me, I had it. I don't have them. I don't have them. I don't want to be prepared. I don't have them.
I'm not sure. Because your face is still showing that you want to fight.
So see, make her no unhard you. Make her unhard her.
No. Baby, please. I'm very serious. See, after the burial, if you want to kill any, you can kill her. You can burn this house. But let's just bury Mama first. Let her go and rest. Eh?
Sure.
Do you want Mama to cry?
Sure.
Can I stand up?
If you stand up. Stand up. Yeah, stand up. And because of you, now make I just they hard you. If not be because of you, I no go hard you.
It's hard, not hard.
Hard and hard. Head hard. I don't hard. I stand up, make I no come change that for you now. You don't need make me one change that for you.
Thank you.
You know that before I used to like to take apple. Mother. So come and eat. We are betting Mother.
Shido. You have caused me more pain than anything. And today, I decided to end all this nonsense. It's very simple.
Udoka the mother, do your work. Sister.
Ah! Sister, you have killed her! Sister! Emily! Sister, you have killed!
Shima! Udoka.
My daughter, I will urge you to endure whatever she does to you for the sake of your mother.
Uncle.
Yes?
I've heard what you said. But seriously, I don't know what I have done to my sister. Neither do I know who is instigating this fire. I don't know what her problem is.
Please, you know you are the elder sister. I want you to take up the role of a mother and bring them together for good.
I've heard James. So, how are we going about the preparation of my mother's burial?
What will happen is we will have a meeting concerning that. But first, I will have to meet you and your sister.
Okay, I'll fix a meeting this evening.
All right, I am here.
Okay. I have to get going.
Okay, greet your sister for me.
Thank you.
Okay?
Bye-bye.
Greet your sister.
Baby, what is the problem? Your face is not bright at all.
What's up, Baba?
Nolan, sit down first. What is it?
What's up, Baba? Do you know that Udoka had the guts to nearly eat me? Oh, it won't beat me.
You see? That's what I've been telling you. If I tell you that your sister has a black heart, it will look as if I hate her, but I don't hate her. You have to stand strong, so she will not suppress you.
I no go give her a chance. I will not give my sister any chance to suppress me.
You know what? After your mother's burial, you will tell her to bring all the money that your mother spent on her during school days. Then the land sold too. Then make sure you get hold of the remaining landed properties near the papers. Make sure you get hold of it.
You get a point there. It's truth.
And I forgot to tell you, after your mother's burial, we are leaving this village for good. So start worrying her about the money now. Because we are leaving this village. Do you understand?
Okay, no problem. That one is not a problem. But another problem don't come out. My sister take this matter to spiritual level. Asa Baba, you know my sister fights me in the dream. He used God to point me and I want to kill us.
Gone?
Yes.
Hey, I foresee. Hi. This is not good now. This is not good. How can people be so wicked like this? My baby, please be careful. Be very careful. I don't want anything to happen to you. Be very, very careful. No. But try and get that money first. Get that money. It's very important. I'm not a ranega from this village. Nari. I've got that. I've came to the sound. Once they hear, Nari go. You understand?
Don't worry, nothing will happen to me. I
want to hear what tell him. You didn't get anything from me.
It's anger that I bring. I did not bring because I was angry, that's why.
Sorry?
Do it again. Hey.
Okay, this is the place?
Yeah, this is the place.
So you go get her, right?
Yeah, let me go get her. Just hold on,
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
dressed?
That is because I don't have interest.
Madam, please go inside and get ready. You need to go out. Listen, I don't have any stress.
Karanere. It's the audacity for me. I should go inside, get dressed, let's go out. Because I don't want to go. I don't understand. Even with a guy I don't know. Is it because he has a car? Huh?
Rita, may God help you.
Help you too.
Because you don't. This is because of Osadebe. Rita, it's not as if you're the only one in his life. You're not even his first choice. Mind you, it's only you and I and him that knows about this relationship. Think.
I don't understand. Hold on. I don't understand, Lillian. Where are all this coming from? Is it because I said I don't want to go with you? Huh? How about Gukanapale?
Stay there. Stay there and waste your time. Come to think of it, is it not because of money that you're following this Osadebe guy?
Not just money.
Babe, think, oh. Think.
Go now. I don't want to go with you. I'm okay with Osadebe, whether money or the other one. You don't even know. You don't understand because you've not been there before. Just go.
The other one.
I don't care.
I should go.
Bye-bye.
I should go.
Save Johnny now. Lillian, go and have fun. I don't want to go with you.
Are you being very serious now?
I am serious.
Like I should.
Yeah.
You will call me back, oh. You will call me back.
Until then. But for now, go.
I'm going.
Go and have fun now. I don't want to go.
I am going, oh. I'm just telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I'm going, oh. You're not saying. Hold on, Papa, inside.
Lillian, go and have fun now. Just leave me. Let me think. You said I should think. I'm going in to think. Bye-bye.
You better think.
Sorry for keeping you waiting. Sorry about that.
What's she?
I'm sorry, she's not coming with us today. She said she can't make it. Her mother sent her on error. So, but she will join us some other time. Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's okay.
Sister Doka, please don't be offended. I want to ask you something.
What is it?
Did you do it?
Did I do what?
Did you kill our mom?
Excuse me. Are you also accusing me?
Sister, I am not accusing you. Just that I am confused. I don't even know what to believe.
So what is the difference? Accusing me and being confused. Listen, I do not have time for this shenanigans, this nonsense before I dispute in this house. Better go inside there and tell that your sister Ebere that we have a meeting this evening. So let her get prepared. Because I've already told her when we go. You can believe whatever you want to believe. Who cares?
I'm sorry.
Just get out, please.
Should I make food for you? Sorry.
My love, see, you have to be very careful, okay? Because I do not want anything to happen to you. If she can allow your mother to die, then she can kill. And if she can kill, then your own is a case. So you have to be very careful. All these things because of money.
She will not do anything to me. See, let me tell you, I know that girl. I know her. Her and all those her witchcraft of Kobun people. I know them. I know what they are capable of doing. They can't catch me.
I was telling you that time. You were saying it's because we don't like each other.
I knew I would have left you now. At that time you told me that I should leave her. She should not go to school. She should drop out of school. I would have allowed her to drop out now.
See what will happen, See what will happen now. Listen to me. Anytime from now, whatever you are going to eat, make sure you keep it away from her. Because that dream is a revelation, okay? And it means she's planning something bad against you. So you have to be very careful.
It's true. I'm not a baby. I know that she's planning evil against me, but she will not succeed. She will never succeed. I'm careful.
Yes.
I'll be very careful.
Just try and be very careful, okay?
But my sister, she looks like all these people that want to speak to school.
Oh, yeah?
Yes, sir. Did they afford to see her child? See her color now. Is that how a woman being used to?
But you want to check one?
No, chama no one jai. Nke ma grow too.
But one check jai no chana check girl.
No check do too much. We kwa on check one jai. Nke mo one jai.
Now, wow. Nah, there is no money, oh. There is no money, oh. Hi. How can I be this broke? Don't even have 1 naira with me to take at least 1 bottle of lager so that I will concentrate. Hi. Now, wow. Is it not better I will go and meet I should go and meet Osadebe and threaten him so that I will collect something from the guy. That is what I will do. Hey, but I need a strong evidence so that he will see it. That if he fails to sort me out, I will expose him. I know what to do. Let me go and meet him.
Thank you so much. You really made my day.
No, I should be thanking you. Okay. Noah, let me drop you at home, okay?
Don't worry, I'm okay here. This place is okay.
Oh, really? Lillian, there's something I want to tell you.
What?
I hope you understand. I really like your friend. And I want you to talk to her for me. I don't know how you take it.
It's alright. I will talk to her for you.
Really?
Sure.
You do that?
I will.
Oh, you're such a good person. You're such a good person.
You thought I would refuse or feel bad because you chose my friend, not me? No. I will talk to her for you.
Oh, you're such a nice person. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Okay, yes, 20,000 now.
Wow.
10,000 for you, 10,000 for your friend, okay?
Wow. Thank you so much.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Don't worry.
My regards,
Alright, please take care of yourself.
You too.
Alright, I'll get back to you. Once I speak to her.
sir. Sir, I'm sorry. I went to the village. Yes, I went in preparation of my mother's will. But I told the engineer what to do. Okay. No problem. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I'll be back once the burial date is fixed. Thank you.
There's no peace for the wicked. That is what I told you. Nonsense. That's good for you. No peace for you in this house. I will continue to break everything you own in this house. Everything that you own in this house, I will continue to break it and destroy it. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Is this the head I will look for you? I'm talking shit. Yeah, you thought. My laptop. You break my contract. Contract, come on. My contract.
This one is at home. This one everywhere is locked up like this. Are you sure he's not inside of in the grab? What are they are doing inside?
Thank God all my plans are coming true. Hello? Yes. I am going to tell Ebele to sell their remaining land. Then I will run away with the money unknowingly to her. Yes, I'm going to ask her to give me the money to keep for her. Then I'll run away with it unknowingly to her. You know what? Then I will leave this village for city. City, here I come. Okay. That is what I'll do. I'm going to tell her to sell that land. And I asked her to give me the money to keep for her. Then, Nadi, you're knowingly to her. Aye, that is what I'll do. Yes.
It's nice more enjoyment too. Why eating and your money?
Yeah, because it's so sweet. You're missing.
By the way, when did fast food come into this town?
Ever since. You don't like onions. You're missing. Hold on. You know, the young guy, he said he's interested in you.
Me?
Yes, you.
Why me?
I don't know. He said I should give you 10,000 naira.
I don't want.
I don't understand. Are you scared of the money?
I don't want.
Here.
Yeah, I don't want.
Peter, now I told you, the beautiful ones and beautiful. Open up. Give new guys, fresh guys, chance to access you. Who knows? You might see someone good for you. Not who knows. I'm sure you will. Stop talking about this Osadebe.
Lilian, I don't want the money. Osadebe perhaps provides me with everything I need. He gives me money. He takes good care of me. So what's the essence of jumping from one man to another when I can actually get it from one man? I don't understand you. Leave Osadebe. He takes care of me. I love him that way. Please, stop pushing too much. Stop instigating me. I don't like it. I like Osadebe. I love him. He does literally everything for me. So, I mean, why will I collect this 10,000 naira? Because it's 10,000. What's 10,000 naira?
So Osadebe guy has really washed your head.
Osago
give pieces. Even with money.
I don't want
you said this is what you've always wanted.
But Osadebe gives me the money.
How much?
He gives me more. No matter how much.
This girl, you've lost it.
You are already enjoying the chicken. Keep the money now. Enjoy the money. And you are eating the chicken already and the rice. Hey now, so what are you complaining? I don't want.
You asked for it. Trust me, you will. Are you not my friend? Are you in Kemma? Because I can't go down now.
Hey! Wonders shall never end. I said it. I said it that this Osadebe is up to something. I even told myself, but the me inside me refused to believe it. You want to dupe my cousin's sister? You want to dupe my cousin? Nowhere. A girl that is in love with you. As if that one is not enough. Somebody whose mother is still in the morgue. Now, Joey. I must do something about it. Osadebe. Osadebe. Hello? Ivo dizaki epike onwe. But wait. What am I even doing? No. This is a typical opportunity for me. Yes, I am aware that my sister is in love with this guy. So even if I go and tell her, it's possible she will not, she will not agree to it. It's possible she will not believe me. You know, all these girls, one day are in love. They love with everything in them. Instead of making this mistake, is it not better for me to make use of this opportunity? Osadebe. You don't enter. You've entered in my cobweb. Asadeba Mananga.
Uncle, welcome.
Please, tell Ebere that Uncle is here for the meeting.
Oh, okay. Ebere!
My cause, O Lord, with them that fight against me. Take hold of shield and buckler, and stand up for my help. Draw out also the spear and stop the war against them that persecute me. Draw out also the spear and stop the war against them that persecute me. Say unto my soul, I am your salvation. Amen. What is it? Why are you calling my name like that? Which one is they want to have meeting? Which meeting? Who called for the meeting? Whose meeting is that one? Udoka called for meeting. Udoka called for meeting and you want me to leave the communication hub with Holy Spirit to go and meet a male Udoka? Mortal Udoka. For what? If I declare, what will happen?
Hey, you are the one reading the Holy Bible. At least there are some pages they say respect your elders. So please, for the sake of Uncle, let's go. He's outside. They are waiting for you.
Which uncle? Uncle Day is outside.
Yes.
Outside is our house.
No, toilet. Outside. Let's go now. They are waiting.
Verse 4. Let them be confounded and put to shame that seek after my soul. Let them be turned back to confusion and devise my heart.
Are you here with the Bible?
Let them be as chaff before the wind. And of course. Udoka, who gave you the guts, the power to call for meeting? As what? As who?
Did she call my name like that? And by the way, what sort of stupid and reckless irritating question is that? No, I want to understand. Is it that you've lost your sense of timing or you're about to go berserk?
Eh?
What kind of question is that?
You see?
Am I your mate?
Uncle, you see?
You both should not start. Who called this meeting? It's not necessary.
It's alright. It's alright.
Besides, this meeting is for the way forward of this family. Doka, please, let's hear you out.
Let's have a minute silence for our late mother.
As what?
Eh? Oh God. May her soul rest in perfect peace.
Oh,
amen.
I actually called this meeting because I wanted us to have a proper planning about our mother's burial. That's why I called for this meeting, and that's why I called you.
Which mother? Udoka, which mother? The one you killed, Abi, there's another mother. Tell me now, let me know. Mother.
Ebere, can you just stop? Why you be blowing things out of proportion?
What is wrong with you. May Amado have finished your mouth.
May the Amado has tried your face into shreds.
I don't have
May it tear your face like combi.
It's your face that
May your face be plastered more than a smell of the fire. Are you crazy?
You parent.
Respect for what? You respect her? Oh wait, you want her to respect you when you cannot respect
Will you people stop? Wait, Ebere.
Nonsense.
If you don't respect yourself, I will leave. Whenever you're ready, you plan this burial yourself.
Uncle, I don't understand. It now looks like you are taking side.
Nobody is taking side.
Is that one, eh? Uncle, see, let me tell you. The word of the Lord says in Ecclesiastic.
Which word of the Lord?
That Ecclesiastic kills you. Eh? Let Ecclesiastic scatter your brain. Let it let that your material that is empty as a fuck.
It is your
Let
brain
it open it.
It's your brain that is
Look at who is talking.
nonsense.
I will give you. Are you fire? What is the problem? See. What the fuck? What's my Bible? What is that? What did I kill you? What did I do? You are useless. You are very stupid. That you forgive you. Yes, you forgive you. We should forgive you. We should forgive you.
Keep quiet now. You.
I will give you 4 goals. If I try for Peter.
Kambiri, no kedi, wano, oposi, no monino. Osankwa. Just yesterday, we are new recruits. I'm here to ask you one question.
Okay.
Why are you very wicked? Why are you heartless? Let me ask you, what will you gain from deceiving my cousin? Ebere.
I don't understand. How do you just walk up to me and start asking me some stupid, meaningless questions?
There's no problem. I know that my question is meaningless. You understand? But the thing is that, what will you gain from deceiving my cousin? I heard everything, oh.
See, if you don't have anything meaningful to talk about, just leave my house. I'm not playing, no. Just leave my house.
No problem. I will leave, but before then, I want to give you the last information. I want to inform you that I have everything. I recorded your voice. I was here earlier. And I overheard you talking with somebody on the phone, how you hit jackpot. You tell my cousin to sell our land, family land, and give you the money so they enter first bus and to Lagos. It will not work. I have I recorded everything. And for information, in case if you wish to attack me, I have duplicate of the voice. Secretary of Choir. She's with the recorder.
This is that 3 how can you?
Okay, well, let's say you hear from me. It is not in a techno.
I know, it's a good phone. It's a good phone. See my guy, we can actually work things out. Hey, calm down now. What's going on?
You are a nice person. You always have your way of sorting things out. Yes, but you see this one, it will not be easy for you to sort out. Though. The only thing that will make me listen to you is 10,000 naira. I am not expensive.
Just cool down on the streets with you. Cool down now. What did that happen?
Streets? Okay. So the 10,000 will not come out?
I didn't mean that. Okay, hold on. Let me see what I can do.
I am truly in love with Osadabe. I know he loves me too. But what I don't understand is why he's keeping another girl and talking to me about his plans with me. I don't understand this whole thing. Leaving him will not be an easy task for me. I would have left him. But I can't. I love him so much. What am I going to do now? What? Sadipi.
Thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. I thank you too. I thank you very much for tolerating your sister all through our discussion. I want you to please keep on tolerating her. She will come by someday. This happening are trials and temptation. And I pray we overcome it one day. Please.
I heard you, Uncle. Please, that reminds me. Please, at your going, I want you not to forget that you need to help me get information.
Okay.
Don't forget the preparation of my mother's burial, please.
No problem, Udoka. I will do that for you.
Thank you. Please, hold on. Okay, please, just use this for your bike or whatever.
For me?
Yes.
Udoka. You got it,
Me?
Continue.
You too not. Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Yes, bless you too.
Thank
you.
You see, you know, agreement is agreement. We agreed on 10,000 naira, and you agree me 5. There's no problem. The only condition I'm taking this 5,000 is because I'm a Christian. I won't do no joke.
Just manage it, okay? And then we're heading now, eh?
There's
just
no problem.
Manage it, but please, do not let another ear to hear this.
No, I'm not like that.
Talk more of a parent.
No.
Him and on me, no.
It's a promise. I cannot do a thing like that. Let me be going. I won't do quite okay, I think can you help me with a bottle? Not even can you, I know you can. Get me 1 bottle of beer. Let me drink, and you want me to think about it very fast. By the time I will finish 1 bottle, my reasoning will be in place.
But you have to do the thinking at home now, in your house.
You want me to do the thinking at home?
So you think very well.
So what happens if I move and decide not to comply with you? What will happen? Are you okay with it like that?
No, it's not
Just get me 1 bottle of beer. Not just beer, lager beer. There's this one they used to write lager beer. There must be lager. Chidiabelen. Lager beer, there must be lager.
I should bring a glass cup that you use.
Yeah. Even if they don't have beer, bring lager. That lager is very important. Lager.
Sorry, can I get like 500 from this money? I will replace it for you.
Why not take all of them? Let me go and do my work.
No. Hold it. It's a mistake. I can take it.
No, come and take the whole 5,000 and buy me beer. The money, the little bribe you just gave me, want to collect from it and go and buy me drink. For what reason?
Sorry. They asked me
to. Very good. Remember, lager. You can leave beer. That lager is very important. Lager. The winu biyo namado tikiki. The winu biyo bireno bi.
Them they call a troublemaker.
I don't blame you. Too much of play deserve no respect. So you're just busy talking to me anyhow. You're even busy supporting that idiot called Udoka. Eh? Bo. Are you not the one?
Ow! Ibiri, what is it now? What have I done? I am not challenging you. All I'm saying is just calm down. After Mama's burial, you can do whatever you want to do.
So I should calm down. After Mama's burial, I can do whatever I want to do. That means what I've been saying since is rubbish now. I don't know what I've been saying. I'm just busy looking for trouble. Yes? That is what you mean.
Ibiri, please can you just leave me alone? As you can see, I'm trying to cook. What is it? What? You're carrying Bible, still you're looking for trouble. I don't know what has come over you. This is not you. Yes.
She said she doesn't know what has come over. You don't know what has come over me. You don't know what has come over me. This has This what has come over me. That is it. This slap I give you now is what came over me. Look at you are crying. It's only the Holy Spirit that has come over me. People want to give me before my time. Let me tell you, the word of God don't mean Isaiah. Isaiah like me.
A super story, oh. Super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around, oh. She only need a chance, oh. Them they call her.
Look at how you look like green pepper. Will you shut your mouth? Now you put your shut up your mouth. See, Udoka, if you know what is good for you, remove your mouth from this matter. Because this matter is between me and this Ewu. This matter is between you and the devil, Lucifer in hell. Eh? Your oath is no longer working with you. Okay? Or Chapo Maka, please. I don't want to insult you. Leave me and this bone fool. Let two of us have our issue. Because if I look at you, it's just this backhand hand that I will do. If I slap you, you will have sense.
Is she your mate?
I don't know the evil spirit that entered your sister. What is your problem? You are talking to me. No, yes. She's talking to you. You are talking to me. Yes. Come close and talk to me.
See me here.
Don't come close. Shut! No, don't close. Don't close. I don't have people's time. I don't have you people's time. Because let me tell you, the word of the Lord says in the book of Lamentation, that's Abu Akwa. He's saying that, my friend, will you close this nonsense? Book of the Lord. Book of the Lord. Shut up!
Scared.
You closed the Bible. No, I closed the madness in your head. You committed sin. And you closed the madness in your head. After committing murder, you have entered to come and commit sin of closing the Bible. See, if I was a murderer, let me tell you, I would have killed you long time ago. You know why? You're stressing me out. You nearly killed me. You're telling me I know your plans. I know your plans. Have you not been attacking me in the dream? Go and sit down. Murderer. When Akukwa said, as he lamented, he said, lament! Lamentation! Go and sit down. You are a very useless girl. You will get married. This is so that we cry to your generation. Come on. Shut up your mouth.
Don't kill me.
Shut up. Shut up.
Sister, it's okay.
Obi, Yagodi O. Obi, please. I am feeling dizzy, and I want to go to chemist to buy drug, but I couldn't just go. I'm so weak. Could you please help me go and buy the stuff? Oh, a drug that will make me sleep. Oh?
Are you sick?
Not that I'm sick. I'm so dizzy. I'm so weak.
Okay, I should buy drug.
Yeah, for me at the chemist. Oh, tell them to give you any drug that will make me feel, after sleeping out, that will make me feel strong. Oh. Don't ask me question now. Just go and buy me sleeping tablet. Is it your body? Is it your sickness?
Doctor's prescription.
Are you going to buy it for me or not?
Are you sure they will give me?
They will give you. Tell them that is me. Oh, go, please.
This side of.
I don't even know why I'm sending you a message, sir. See your ball leg. Run now, run. I'll fall here, oh. Run. Please.
Seriously, I don't know what to do. Why did Billy all of a sudden start behaving like some tigress? What is wrong? What is going on? Is she possessed?
Sister, I don't think this is ordinary because me, I'm confused.
Right? Whatever that has come over Ibiri has to stop. Was I expecting less? I knew the enemy will always, want to shatter our family. But we shouldn't allow them to succeed.
We need to look for a solution. This is not ordinary.
You know what I'll do? I think once I go back to the city, I have to go meet my pastor. He needs to do a serious prayer for Ibiri.
Sometimes she behaves like someone that is mad.
She's already mad. Can't you see it?
Lord.
And I do not want to, I do not even want to touch her one bit. If not the fact that she's my sister, I know where to place people like her.
So it's okay. Let me just hurry up and make food for you.
Is it in my news? Wait.
What is keeping this ordinary lager beer Even if they don't have beer, why not bring the lager that I talked about? Lager that is everywhere in this village. It is keeping this guy now. What is keeping him? Come on. Are you sure this guy is not planning something? I told him that I have duplicate of this voice note, but it's not enough. Are you sure this guy is not trying to come and attack me and take my phone? What will I do? I don't want to lag to implicate me. I have to go and hide this phone somewhere and come back. Since he's playing game, let me go and play my own game. You see where I put that trouble? Phone. It's good to be security conscious. I have to be security conscious. Ordinary go and buy lager beer. He's wasting ages.
Sister, wait. That's the Berry's voice. Who is she quarreling with?
Mad people can quarrel with anybody, even a chicken on the floor. Let's just go and see what he has over.
Hey. Oh.
Burn down this place.
You want to do what?
What are you doing?
You want to burn down my car?
Yes, of course. It's witches and wizard car. Demonic car from the pit of hell that I want to burn. I will burn it to ashes. I will burn it.
Are you mad or something? What is wrong with you?
Is it me you're talking to? If I'm mad, it's like you are crazy. You want me to slap you? These guys don't have respect. Oh, I will just enjoy you. If not for one little respect, I will just enjoy you. Nonsense.
Oh yeah, set it ablaze. Yes. Set this car ablaze!
You think I will not set it ablaze?
Set it ablaze!
Hold on.
See, the slapper will slap you now, eh?
Hold on.
Even our ancient ancestors will not be able to recognize you.
You said
set it ablaze.
Hold on. I've already put
fuel. Set it ablaze!
I've already put fuel. I will just
set it ablaze!
I will burn all of you. People will just burn like fire. And I know that once I burn this car, you will burn. Because it's your common people that have this car. Your marine kingdom that have this car.
Stop talking. I said it ablaze.
It's kingdom that have this car. If I burn it, you push shit.
You need deliverance. You need deliverance. You need deliverance. Leave me alone.
You want to burn my motor? Burn am.
Hit me now.
Burn the motor.
I will burn it and nothing will happen.
Burn the motor. See if you won't die now.
Burn the motor. Ayakimi.
Burn it.
You injure me.
Don't stop her again.
You slap me.
Don't stop her again.
You slap me.
Stop her again.
You slap me.
Stop her again.
Okay, hold on.
Oh yeah, do it.
Hold on.
Do your worst.
Hold on. I'm coming.
They are waiting for you.
Hold on.
Do your worst. I'm waiting for you. Are you mad? What is your problem? Do your worst.
You are trying me.
Do your worst.
Wait,
do your worst.
I will pour you for
burn it.
I will pour you for
burn it.
Hold on, follow
burn
me.
It. As I follow you. Follow me. As I can't come like you. As a rotten little. Where is that way? Release me. Where? Whoa!
Let me know.
You think this is water? Look at that I put like this. This thing is fuel. So we burn all of it. The fire goes.
Are you mad? You want to burn this house?
I want to show you for that street square that I buy. And that street square that I used to burn this demonic powers car. You go think people can team against me. No weapon for some the price of
you never believe it.
Every tongue that rise against me shall be condemned. The book of Matthew 2, verse 2, that is what it says.
Wow.
No weapon fashion against my enemies shall prosper. Witches and wizards. You want me?
She's possessed.
Come back here. Come. Hey. Bring her down. What is bring her down there? Put her back. Put her. Put her down.
Hey, my guy. I'm back.
Nah, what kept so long now? Is it the next village I went to buy the beer?
Sorry for keeping you waiting, okay? You know, I had to even add pepper soup to it.
Ah.
I'm sorry for wasting your time. That's it. That's your lager.
You even bought coconut.
Yes.
What are you going to do with it?
In case we get high, we can use the coconut to bring it down. Because we're going to drink very well.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get plates.
No, the spoon that you bring, go bring two because you eat this thing with me. I don't know your plan.
Okay.
I told you lager, you went and bought pepper soup. What you are looking for who to kill? Who eat it together? 2 spoons. Hey. Ukpuye dị kwa mma. Ukpuye dị mma. Ambido godo na. Let me start.
Alright, my guy.
Nkwugi.
Hey.
Nkwugi. Ọkwa anụ nchi ka ị gote. Anụ nchi.
Ka onye nwe gozie nne. Amen.
Amen. Abụ ndụ ka na-eme n'afa nna. Mkpọpụ. No, you eat first now. You bought it. Eat test, yeah.
I'm atakakwa anu. Leave me now, just finish it.
Just test. Let me. Let me give our people.
Hey. Those banunchi. One.
I'm going to go to Melia. I said it that you are a nice person. But why did you want to do my sister? It's only better you tell her that you don't love her so that she will go. So let me tell you something. Allow that girl to go. Because she will die. She cannot manage her mother's death and heart attack or heart failure coming from you. Why not tell her to go if you don't love her?
I'm sorry about that. It wasn't intentional.
Wow. This meat.
You know I bought it for you. I'm check it down. Man.
I'm Dolly.
Man.
Let me test it first. Yo. This meat, are you sure it will be around for both of us? What the meat?
You asked me to first.
The meat is very sweet. It's making me feel like eating and sloping.
You know, you're not my friend in this. We have to put hands together to make this money together.
Which money? I should put hands together with you and do it to my sister. I will not try it.
You need to understand me now. Yeah?
I don't know, Papa.
Let me. I even bought two. This one is your own. Let me come. Let me bring knife so I'll cut this meat into pieces.
Well, meat is very sweet. You'll be eating it and you'll be feeling sleepy. Ora kaya maraba.
I've spoken with her concerning your intention towards her. Everything is going to be fine. But you know, she can't just like you just like that. Normally she would do shakara now and say, Lady Shara.
That's the problem. That's the problem. The shakara thing is the problem. It's taking too long. See, I really love that girl. And I want her by my side. Please help me talk to her, please.
Boss, calm down. Calm down. Everything is going to be fine. She's my friend and I know how to work. And believe me, she's almost here, so just don't worry. Give her some time. She will come around. I didn't tell you, you know, she's loving this village guy that is loving someone else. So she's just going through a lot at this point. Give her some time. She will come
Really?
around. Yeah.
She's loving a guy who is in love with someone else? That's not even possible. Come on. She's too precious for that. See, she should be with me. Yeah? Just talk to her.
I know how you feel about my friend, but just calm down. Give her some time. Everything will be okay, believe me.
It's okay.
I'm working on her.
Thank you so much for all your effort. Huh? Thank you so much.
Don't mention. It's
I
okay.
have to go. You have this, okay?
Again.
Have this. Have this. It's nothing.
This is too much.
More is nothing. Just
You're
have it.
spoiling me with money. Oh.
Just have it, huh? And please, I'll give you a call. But do talk to her. Don't forget. Okay?
Don't worry, I'll talk to her.
All right.
But this is not a bribe, but I'll talk to her because I want her happy. I know you will make her happy.
No problem. I will. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the money.
Should I drop you?
No, don't worry. My house is not far from here.
Okay, thank
I
you.
will just walk.
Thank you.
All right,
All
bye-bye.
right, bye.
Take care of yourself.
You too, there.
Guy. Onye laga. You know wapugo brain box. Stupid man. You think you have sense? You're asking me, why did you buy coconuts? This is the reason I bought the coconuts. Yeah? You think you have sense? 70-year-old man. Look at you now. Where did you even keep that phone? Ah. Where's the phone now? Ah. Oh, he was with it before I left. What do I do now? Eh? Hi! Should I take this guy to the junction and drop him there? No. Somebody will see me, they will think I've killed him. Okay, I think I should take him inside till night falls. Hey!
Hey, it is now very clear that Osadebe gave me something. How can I sleep off like this? Wanted to collect my working material, my phone. I will tell him that before Jesus, Abraham was. Huh? It is not ordinary. He gave me something, but I will tell him that Owa is very smart. This is where I kept I hide the phone. Huh? Hey, why you go hamo? Hey. I dropped the phone here now. Hey! This is... I am sure I dropped the phone. The phone. My working material. Osadebe. Everything is still intact.
Yes, Uncle. I've heard what you said. I'll just try and make it to the village, I promise. I will. Thank you. Yeah, yes, hello? Did you get a call from the lawyer asked to call you? Yes, he's... Oh, okay, you've met up. Very beautiful. Please get the file for me at home. Okay, thank you. Oh.
Uncle, I've heard you. Eh? Uncle, see, if it's not that it's you that is calling for this meeting, I don't want to come. I don't understand. This one you are telling me to come to a meeting where I will still meet with a murderer. Somebody who killed my own mother. Killed my mother, still shot me in the dream. And has been threatening me since. You want me to come to the same meeting with the person. I don't want to come because of death. Uncle, I don't want to die. No problem, Uncle. It's you that is telling me to come to the meeting in case of anything that happened to me. I will write my will and tell you who you will give my shop to. No problem. I've heard you, sir. I've heard you, sir. Psalm 91. Psalm for protection against my enemies.
What nonsense?
Everybody the point.
How can somebody eat ordinary pepper soup? And since then, I have not gotten myself. Huh? What nonsense? Oh, don't worry.
What is the problem?
Which problem?
I heard you watching.
Is it your business? Is it your, did you eat pepper soup with me? Why are you asking me? How can somebody eat pepper soup at the end of everything, that person will sleep off? Who does that kind of a thing? After pepper soup,
You mean you ate pepper soup and sleep off?
Let me ask you. That's the one ukuake. Have you eaten a pepper soup before?
Yes, that is what I normally eat every day.
It's not what you normally, after eating it, do you sleep? Do you normally sleep after eating that pepper soup?
No.
Now, how can I eat the same pepper soup? Pepper soup anunchi. How can I eat it at the end of it? I did not know myself again, even up till now. I am still feeling sleepy. I'm shouting just to scare the sleep away.
So who served you pepper soup?
Don't worry. That one is the matter for another. See, just be listening from now henceforth. You will hear scores. When I'm not getting you, how can I eat pepper soup and at the end of pepper soup, I will go, I will sleep? I don't even know. You will hear scores. When I'm not getting as well say 8 in this village, you give me pepper soup. I didn't even ask for pepper. I asked for lager beer.
Hi, Lucky. Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm okay. I'm just there. How about your friend? Have you been able to speak with her?
Well, I've not spoken with her again, but I will do that this morning. And trust me, I will get back to you.
Please help me out. You know, you can actually talk to her and ask her if I can take her out this evening. We could go somewhere. Just enjoy ourselves, you know.
Okay. I will try and convince her. I will try. Don't worry yourself. If it's something I cannot do, I will not even attempt. I will convince her, okay?
Okay, thank you so much. And I trust you. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day, okay?
Okay, no problem.
I'll call you back, huh?
And take care of yourself too, okay? I'll get back to you once I speak with her. Trust me on that. All right, bye.
Hey, Chooks, what's up? On my way to my site. Okay, bring it over. I'm waiting for you.
Hey! An opportunity where people they look for. Like this, my friend, Rita. They reject. Blood woman like one man blood go. Huh? This guy they fuck up. Yeah, can only get he will say Osadebe, na no asa. Bakwa, manakanje ka. Hey.
Rita.
Which Rita? Which Rita? Osadebe. Osankwa.
What?
No, tell me. What is that thing that you added in that food that I ate in your house that made me slept off immediately after eating the food?
I don't understand. That question should be referred to the person that cooked the food. After all, didn't I eat the food with you?
Hey, you want to argue? Now I want to ask another question. What happened to that coconut that you bought together with the food? You think I'm not aware? So you bought coconut so that at the end of everything, after eating the food together with me, you go and took the coconut water so that you dilute whatever substance you've added in that food, Akuya.
Now you know what you're talking about. You know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay, this is the way you want it, Abi. If I live here now, I am going to a better house, I will expose open the members one basket. Or if you don't want it that way, you give me 20,000 naira only.
See, I'll give you 10K, but I don't have it here. Will you follow me home?
God forbid, I was in your house and after eating I slept off. You won't take me back to your house again.
I have money here now, so you follow me and go and get it.
I will not try it. I will wait here. Go and bring the money here. I'm waiting. If you waste time,
Let me rush and go and get it.
I am waiting.
Why are you behaving like a woman?
No, I am waiting. Okay, let me try if Ebere's number is connecting.
What do I do to him? I think he wants to use this opportunity to open an office on my head. But two things are involved. I will look for a way to collect that phone. Or I will tell Ebele to sell the land. Then I'll ask her, let me keep the money. Before she knows it, I will move. I don't really want to tamper with the little money I have now. I don't want to tamper with it at all. Rita, I love you so much. I love Rita so much. I know what to do. I am going to ask Rita to use her power as a woman to collect that phone from Owa. That's what I will do. That's what I will do.
So you're still doing this nonsense with that Osadebe guy?
Excuse you, I don't understand.
You know one funny thing? Since you don't even watch well, do you even notice that he turned back? Immediately he saw Owa, that's Ebere's cousin. Eh? I was watching the both of you from afar.
Please, can you just stop talking about Osadebe and gist me what's the latest? Osadebe, please, can you let him be?
That's my girlfriend, now you're talking. Anyway, we're going out tonight.
You know, yeah?
What again? With Lucky, he's taking us out. Babe, that guy is madly in love with you.
Anako.
Trust me, he said he's going to make it memorable. Give him a chance now. There's no harm in trying. Just give it a try.
Lillian, why is it difficult for you to understand that I don't want another man? Why is it difficult for you to understand? I mean, you making it look like I must do what you say. Why?
You're misunderstanding me.
No, I don't like it. I have a man already. I have Osadebe. So why are you trying to push me to the next man? I don't like it.
Stop now. Stop talking about this.
Please, please. You are instigating me too much. I'm not a child. I don't like it. Leave Osadebe out of this. You're lucky and you're lucky. You can lucky with him. I don't want.
Rita, it's me you're talking to.
Please, I'm out of here.
Wait, you're leaving me here. You want to leave me behind? You're going to fetch Rita to get out. Don't even try it.
I don't want to fetch with you again. Go.
Why? You don't have a choice, my girlfriend. We're fetching it together.
Is it your fetching? Go and fetch your fetch. Let me fetch my fetch.
We're here together. We'll die here. Oh yeah, let's go.
I'm not going
Are
again.
you coming with me? Rita, let's go. Come, let's go.
Stop talking about another man. I don't like
talk about Osadebe.
I must talk about him because he's my man. He's my man.
I don't like him.
Lucky do because lucky.
He's a cheat. What did you do with Ebere? Come here. Oh yeah, come first. Come now, let's go.
Don't insult Osadebe again. I don't like it.
See you to find like this. Fine girl with that ear. Eh? Telling you the truth, you'll be doing anyhow.
Hey!
Forget Osadebe.
How much is Lucky giving you, self?
I'm telling the truth. On Asagi, so Asagi.
On Asagi, the mama, Yasawam, or the mama. I like it. Oh yes, so.
Go to school and come back and be praying Osadebe.
You see what I've been telling you? If you keep quiet, she will chance you. And you will end up losing everything. You trust the elders. They will always tell you, yeah, she's the eldest. She's your senior sister. You have to calm down.
Udoka has eaten more than she can chew. Why?
So listen, let me tell you. I suggest you look for the land document and hide it. If you cannot hide it, you bring it, let me keep it for you. Or better still, sell it off. Eh? Immediately after your mother's burial, you know Mansana? Nari, to the city, because no one is tied to this village. The city is for everybody. Ayawa, from this village.
You have a point too.
If you cannot sell it, you bring it. I'll keep it for you. Sell it off.
No, in short, I'll bring it for you to keep it for me. I'll bring it. The thing is that you wait. I have a meeting with my uncles there because of my mother's burial. After the meeting and the arrangement for my mother's burial, I'll bring it for you, yeah?
Okay. I hope nobody's hearing what we're saying. Oh. Is she at home?
I beg you, leave that mumu. She's still sleeping since.
Are you sure she's sleeping?
She's sleeping. That girl,
talking
once that girl starts sleeping, she'll... Have you not been hearing this now?
That's fine.
Okay, hunger. Food. Don't worry. I will prepare something for you. Your favorite.
It is very obvious to me that Osadebe is the problem of this family. But the question is, what does he stand to gain? Hey! So this boy has been duping my sister. This boy has been using my sister. And now he's talking about selling land. Hey! I have to go and hide those documents. And I have to hide them fast. Hey! So he's also dating what he's doing.
Papa. I can't hear you, sir. Okay. Can you talk loud? I can't hear you. Lillian, you can keep the money with you. I don't want. Don't you understand? Huh? He wants to take me out. Please, he can take you out since he's looking for who to take out. You're already there now. You guys should go on. I am telling you, if you come here, you won't see me. You're not going to see... You won't see me, and it's a promise. I don't want. Lillian, you're pushing too hard. I don't like... You're instigating me like a child. I don't like it. If you come to my house, you won't see me. In fact, I'm not even available. I'm not around. Have fun. Enjoy. Leave me alone. I don't want to go out. Ha! Pico, bye-bye. Want to take me out? Onto? I don't understand. Yeah, you should take you out now. Don't come here again. The documents in the wardrobe.
What is it?
The document that I kept inside the room, where is it?
Which document are you talking about? I didn't see anything.
Document that I kept inside the room, you did not see it.
Why are you shouting? I've not seen any document. Oh.
White document, white paper. They use black to write inside.
I didn't see any black or green document. I've not seen anything. Please. Oh. Uncle? Welcome.
Uncle, welcome, sir.
Yes.
Fine, sir.
Uncle, welcome, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Uncle, don't worry. Let me call Sister Udoka.
Okay. My children, I have discussed with my kinsmen, and we talked about 3 major things. One is the issue of your mother's burial. Second is the issue of you people traveling to your maternal home to officially inform them of their daughter's death. The last one is a various accusation that Udoka has hand in your mother's death.
I'm sorry, Uncle. Don't be angry. I don't think I heard the last thing you said. I didn't hear it well. As a matter of fact, I don't even understand it.
Why won't you hear it? You are now deaf and dumb. Your ear blocked. You cannot hear it. More Dara.
Hey, Chineke, God.
Yes, my daughter. It has become a thing of interest to some people, and they demand to know the truth. The outcome may possibly mean you swearing to Iyala that you are innocent of the accusation. But don't you worry, those ones will come later. But the most important thing is how to raise money for your mother's burial.
Uncle, please. I will take care of my mother's expenses. Her burial. But if I ever go to DC and take this oath, and nothing happens to me, hey, Barry! I will tear you to shreds.
Obumadi! Blood sucker! Sucking demon of witches and wizards. Because she has used our mother to do ritual. She has sacrificed our mother finish. Now, to use the money, you want to use it back.
Hey, it's enough!
Be buried. You want
Shut
to use
up.
the money used to sacrifice our mother to bury
I say
her.
shut up.
Hey!
You people should make arrangements to go and see your mother's people. After which you will take it up from there. What's your problem?
Power of the darkness people that she has been sacrificing our mother blood every day to physically. Finally, they kill our mother. Now I want to use the same money to bury our mother. And Uncle, you want to accept me?
Uncle, as the eldest of this family, as the most sensible one, I have heard what you said. I will not stoop so low to exchange words with people who are stark illiterate. I won't.
Hey, see, let me tell you, I know how much I contributed in your life to go to school. I contributed a lot to you. I know when I was in school, I used to pass my exam. What is exam? I know, boo.
Hey!
Yeah, listen, I have taken enough of your nonsense. If you do not, I will
Uncle,
transfer
please
your
now.
mouth for you. Are you mad?
Uncle, you see it.
You keep quiet now.
Shut up your mouth.
Please now, be cool.
I have told you what.
No, it's your eyelashes that I just removed.
Uncle, you are going where they are.
No, he will stay.
Uncle, you are
He will stay listening to your nonsense.
As many as people that are opposing me, the Lord will oppose them.
Hey, baby, it's okay
Because
now.
I don't know how many people is there. They want to.
Mr. Bill, it's okay now. Mr. Bill, it's okay now.
I will press your face like bread. I will press your face like I do for bread now. Don't you?
I know that the Lord is me.
Them they talk shit,
I
they
want to use
hear
it to do this sacrifice. It will not work. I
Surely they must get them. If you do mistake and match me.
You are not normal.
If you do mistake and match me.
What can I die inside? It's okay. She's not normal. She's not normal. Hey.
She wants to turn things around.
Sister!
I like your courage. You're bold, you're beautiful. I like everything about you. That's why I want you to be the mother of my unborn children. But I know I need your permission for that. That's why I've been coming around seeking to meet you, but I've always not met you. Please, just give me a chance to prove myself. If it didn't work, I'll take a walk.
If it didn't work and you take a walk.
Yes.
It's okay, thank you. I've heard what you said, but I have to be plain here. I don't know if my friend has been telling you my response all this while or not. You're a very kind, gestured person. I like your personality. As you already know that I am in a relationship with another man. And I don't want to double date. I don't have that strength, okay?
I'm aware you're in a relationship with another man. But I'm also aware that it's not going well. You're dating a man who is in love and dating another woman. That doesn't make sense. You're too beautiful for that.
Oh, she already told you.
Yeah.
Okay, it's unfortunate. I'm sorry to disappoint you. I am the one in the relationship with another man. It's not working out. I am very, very comfortable. It's okay by me. Yes. So please, maybe you can try another person. I'm not interested. I don't have strength to servicing 2 men. No, I don't have that strength. Like they say, you can't serve 2 masters at a time. I can't, okay? Sorry.
Rita.
Ross.
Hey, Lily, I'm sorry.
Fine, don't worry yourself, eh? I know her very well. She's my friend. You understand? So cool down. I'll work on her again. You know, her coming to see you is a good development now. Don't you think so? So don't worry.
Thank you. Let's talk to her, eh?
Don't worry. Sit down.
Of the evil one against me. Hi. Where is this document? Who stole this document? I kept it here. And I keep it here. I keep it in the wardrobe. Udoka.
You are welcome to your maternal home. It is our culture and tradition that once you come to mourn your mother in her place, the children will cry and walk into the compound. And we have seen Ebere and Emma cry. Udoka, you are here to cry. Why?
Uncle, you were asking a mother and why? She cannot cry. She's the one who sacrificed our mother. She killed Mama, so why is she supposed to cry?
Excuse me. Enough. What is wrong with you? Ebere, what is your problem? You have been repeatedly saying this all the time. Yet I kept quiet. Listen, I will not keep mute anymore. Do you have any proof to back up that I used Mama for any sacrifice?
Yes. I have enough proof. If you want me to prove it, I will prove it. Mama sacrificed a lot for you.
Mama sacrificed a lot for me. Let me ask you a question. Is there any sacrifice that Mama made for me that I've not made for this family times 20?
Udoka, listen and listen good. as the eldest daughter of our daughter, you know our tradition very well. That when you come to inform us about our daughter's death, I mean your mother, without you crying and mourning her, you have incurred a fine of 50,000 naira,
What?
a hen, and 2 bags of yam. If not, we will assume that our daughter is not dead. And anytime we ask you about her and you fail to bring her to us, honestly, you are going to face the entire kindred.
Uncle, 50,000 naira is too small. Increase it to 100. Why should I be mad, you idiot? This is all your fault.
Please, my uncles, I am really, really sorry. I don't know what came over me. My sister has been trying to drag me nuts all this while.
Hey! Uncle, this thing I'm telling you is true too. They sacrifice our mother. When I'm telling you that this girl is a murderer, any girl that is fair, anybody that is fair in this our midst now, that is tall, that wear the same cloth up and down, is the murderer. I don't want to call
believe you.
Uncle, I am sorry I wasn't able to cry. But that was because I've had my own issues. I've been distracted with so much problems of recent. Uncle, I am sorry. Please. This is a woman that has shown me love. My mother. I don't know why everyone is turning their back on me at this point. I don't know.
My dear, I am beginning to believe your sister, Ebere. Why are you this heartless to the point that you can't even pretend to be crying at your maternal home? Why won't people believe that you have a skeleton in your cupboard?
Uncle, even you? I can't believe this. Uncle, I need my innocence back. Seriously, I am tired of all this. And the only way for me to ascertain that is you taking me to where I can take an oath. Take me to any deity, Uncle. Wherever it is, the next village, this village, I'm ready to go to anywhere. I'm sick and tired of all this.
Are you sure?
I am sure, Uncle.
You can swear.
Take me to anywhere.
All right.
Please.
I believe you. I believe you.
Uncle, I am sorry.
That's okay.
I did all my best. I tried. I'm really sorry, please.
I understand. Don't worry, I'm with you.
So that I did something. My hand don't like too much. You don't like? No. Welcome. Thanks for coming. You go? No. Oh, no. You go tell me about. Na solum. I cause the man want to cough. But my son Mama. So the only thing left here
It's the cover of this one, eh? It got lost sometime some months ago. If you go to the Arakadiama, hell, I'm so. Can I carry it, eh? Oh. Salu, you go away. Take it easy, oh. Mama. Who should eat now? Why are you mama and me? Eh? Let's eat. After we explain. Let's sit down, let's eat. Oh? Please. Just sit again. Please, look him.
I don't have a
I said I will explain. Huh? I don't have any option. I want an option. I don't have any option. Huh? I will explain. Please, fly is perching on it. Just eat. Huh? Eat. You see, I want to add it to that little one in the house so that it will be enough for you, both for school fees and other things that you are going to buy. Mama. So that was why you had to sell our 2 big pots. Mama, the last time I checked, that was the pot that Papa used to marry you. That pot has been there even before they gave birth to us. You want to remind me of the death of your father? So you want to remind me of my No, okay. I'm going to say what remind me. I'm trying to do good here. Remind me of the death of
we know it's because of our school, that's why you are doing this. Don't worry, yeah. You see, Udoka, when you graduate from school, you buy Mama big motor. Mama, Udoka will buy you a big car when she graduates from school, yeah.
Yes. Finish it. Let's wait. When I Papa will return with it. Problem. It's no appetite.
Amen.
Go in peace.
Amen.
And nothing will harm you on the way.
Amen.
You will write exam, you will read and understand.
Amen.
You will write exam and pass. Where your mates are going, they are not succeeding. My daughter, you will go and you will succeed.
Amen.
You will excel.
Amen.
You will go and come back and make us proud.
Amen.
And make this community proud.
Amen.
My daughter is a graduate. Oh.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Don't come and start giving Mama stress. You will not try it. Mind your family. Anybody that stress me, I will not give the person food. I trust you, Mama. Let's go.
Sister, bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let me escort her. See her through. Hey. Okay, Mama. Don't allow you. This one you're holding me like this.
My daughter, we cannot hear you clearly. By the way, why are you crying? Better close your mouth so that we can hear you.
I am here to let you know that my mother, which happens to be your daughter, is dead.
When did this happen?
Oh.
Was she sick?
She was sick. We rushed her to the hospital, but unfortunately, my mother did not make it.
Our sister was sick. You couldn't come to inform us. Now you are coming to tell us that she's dead. Thank you very much. You have tried. Thank you. Thank you.
Please, let us take it easy with her. After all, our daughter, our sister we are fighting for, is still her mother. Ada, stop crying. We have had you.
Thank you. Thank you.
My in-law, this is the 100,000 naira. I know it is not your tradition to use money for whatever that was charged. So please use it to buy 2 bars of yam, goat or hen or whatever, so that the Umuna will accept it. Please.
Thank you very much. We appreciate.
Thank you very much.
So my people, you have seen it. I'm assuring you we are going to be there on ground.
Oh.
Jando doru igwe odi mailole. Aya odi mailole. I say Jando doru igwe odi mailole. Aya odi maile. Nulumino tunko, nulumino tunko. Abalekali tunko, atrumino tunko. Abalebemi tunko, atrumino. After the after the poo. My daughter, if you have any confession to make, now better do it. Or avoid the consequences of swearing with EKENE. But if you don't, I'll proceed. Now, hold this staff. You have to say after me. According to the tradition of this land, if I have hand in the death of my mother,
According to the tradition of this land, if I have any hand in the death of my mother,
may the wrath of EKENE befall me.
may the wrath of EKENE befall me.
Nulumino tunko, abalekeli tunko, atrumino tunko, abadebemi tunko, atrumino tunko, after the poo, after the rio.
I saw that white man. I was looking at him. I'm happy you like what I did. This color will be good on you. This one, the pink. I will show them that. Yes. Mama, you cannot wear that one. No. That is where to be fine now, so they will know if it's about
Mama, but that one is for me now, it's not for you.
Is it your size?
Yeah.
Where's my own? Wait. If today's one is not enough, we can go back to it. Just don't fight for it.
I'm happy you like this.
Mama, I need to freshen up. I am very tired. Tell your sister, let her know that you are back. No, she'll be asking of her own. Money stops nonsense. Money stops nonsense. Yes. When I get to the village, they will know I'm right. Let me keep it here.
I used to wear this one. I used to see them in television. They will not be working like
Is it only television? When we saw in the supermarket, they was looking at them like this. Hey, money stop rubbish! My eyes is full. Very sweet. Wonderful. I know. Nice. You want me to give you from my own. Okay. Let me show you that you are still my baby. You are still my baby. Where will I from put your own? From her nose. From her nose? I'll give you. Why you jealous? God, I thank you. Just that nobody wants to give me small fish. I need the fish. My smell is very good. I'm not too bad.
I don't know why you guys want to throw away our good memories. The happy memories our family shared together. Have you forgotten how sweet our family used to be? No matter the little we had, we managed it well. What happened? What happened to us? Please, I beg you. Whatever that I might have done wrong, knowingly or unknowingly, forgive me. I am sorry. Mama will be shattered in her grave. Please. I'm sorry.
I am not sent to your house. You have to follow me now. It's a matter.
What is the problem? What is the problem? What is the problem now? What is going on? Yeah? You can't ask me to follow you like that, just like that.
That's the problem.
I was thinking that today will be a very small day. But God is with us. Continuation of celebration. Our in-law is determined. But then, it's true that we have taken our dowry. That's our own share. Our daughter will come, as it is in our tradition, to show us that man that she said is her own. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, mama.
Adobodo Igbo.
Oh. Our tradition said, this palm wine, we'll give it to our daughter. She will now look at the faces of all the men here and show us who is her husband. Our daughter, come. Wow. We will all be witnesses.
Abu. Good people.
Say nothing. Come on. I've told you I love you and I can do anything for you. Okay? You're lucky to be with Lucky. Talk to me. What's the problem?
I said I'm fine.
Oh, come on, Rita. You're not fine. It's all over your face. What is that?
My phone is bad.
Your phone is bad? That's a smart thing. What kind of phone do you want? I'll get you a phone. What kind of phone do you want?
Any smartphone.
Any smartphone? Name it. What? Just tell me what you want.
iPhone 13 Pro Max.
You want the iPhone 13 Pro Max?
The gold color.
Okay, let's go. For now, I'm gonna get you that, but these are my phones. You can have any of this. Yeah. Just have this for now, okay? Have this for now.
No, don't worry. It's your own. We are using it.
No, don't worry. I don't want you to be with that phone for today. Just have this for now. I'll get you the iPhone 13 Pro Max, okay? Look, I have 4 phones here. Come on. I have 4 phones, yeah. See? 4. No, come on, take this. Have this, and there's no SIM card inside already, so I was gonna give it to my younger sister anyway.
I don't like this color. This color is masculine. I want the gold color.
Don't worry, I'll get you the gold color. Okay? Okay, hold on. Okay. This? You want this? Okay. So I'll get you good color. Just use this. No SIM card. You can start your SIM card, and when I get the good color, you give me this back.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
When are you getting it?
Tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Of course. Okay, no, tomorrow is Sunday. Then Monday. Yeah.
Are you sure I can?
Of course. Anything that belongs to me right now belongs to you. Okay? Tell me you're gonna like. So sharp. Sharp, right?
I disown you. I defriend you.
Can you do that?
I defriend
It's not possible.
Yes,
You.
You're too dramatic.
You can't do without me.
Eh.
I'm sure I'm proud of it. You can't.
Okay,
I'm
I'll
telling
shock you.
How?
What is this? Lillian! 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 Lillian, stop now. Lillian! 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 Someone help me, Lillian! Ah! Lillian! Lillian! Lillian, no. Lillian, you're just talking now. What is this? Lillian! What is that?
What?
She just loved him. She did it.
Just love.
Please, they got to go. I don't like this. Why are you doing this?
Please, just say
Stop
yes.
hitting me.
Say yes first. Please.
Will you marry me?
Please say yes. Really, please now. Say yes.
Is that why you have to pretend like you are
I'll
there?
do anything for you. Just say yes first. Say yes, I'm fine. Please now. Us. Please marry us. Come on, girl. Say yes.
I don't like this kind of play. I don't like it.
I'm sorry.
Rachel.
Yes.
It works!
I'm supposed to be. I loved you. I loved you wholeheartedly. We never loved you. You were busy playing with different girls, sharing different girls. Sorry to disappoint you. I'm going to get married to him. I'm not sure. Huh? Go on, keep playing. Nikki, I still love you.
Oh, yeah, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh, darling. Oh, yeah. Welcome.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
We are busy. I'm presenting you to here. I cannot go. I won't do you too.
My daughter. I think the proverb of our people say it's from the flash of the lightning that you will tell the town sound of the thunder.
Yes.
You people are here today. Our people are happy. Very, very happy with you. Today you are husband and wife. The blessing of our people will follow you. The 4 market days in our place. Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo will bless you. You will live like all of us lived. You will have your own children. On the Eke day, on the Oye day, on the Afo day, on the Nkwo day. That is the blessing our people is giving to you.
I was deeply wounded when I found out that you sent 15,000 out of 150,000 the doctor asked us to bring. Mama died because of lack of deposits. I did everything I could, but yet she gave up.
Are you alright? No, stop. I sent what? Me. I sent... Come off it, please. I sent you 150,000 naira. The exact amount you talked about, that's what I sent to you. I sent you 150,000 naira. That is what I sent to you.
You mean you sent 150,000?
150,000? Oh my goodness.
And not 15,000.
150,000 naira. I can take an oath on it. I swear by the gods. That's what I sent to you. I can even print out my statement of account so you can see it and confirm it. Is this why you've been acting like a beast? Is this why you've been like this?
I'm here. What is it?
What's up, Baba? Take my ATM card. My sister tell me that he will send me 150,000. No.
Okay.
You know, say I give you my phone, the battery low. You see the charge?
Yes, it's the charge, yes.
How many percent is there now?
About 5.
Since that time, I thought I said that my charger no good.
I'm not phone now.
I beg, please, once he charge well, just go check. If you see the alert, help me withdraw the 150,000 naira. Carry and they come hospital. Make a rush, they go hospital.
Okay. The Lord is your strength, oh? Wait. I'm gonna check your phone. My dear?
How far?
Fine.
How far now? The money has he entered?
Yes, it has entered, but it's not the exact amount you told me.
They collect 15 naira bank charges.
My sister sent 15,000 naira.
15,000 naira?
Instead of 150,000 naira that you told me, I told you your sister is heartless. She's very wicked. I've been telling you this thing, but you think I'm deceiving you.
Udoka sent 15,000 naira!
I can't forever.
After I suffered and went to the city, and she told me that she would send the 150,000 naira. I told Udoka it's 150,000 naira.
If Udoka bun, nkita the meta Udoka bun. Or the me sending nkita the meta Udoka. I told you she's very wicked. There your card, Jide. Let's go. There your card, Jide. Come, let's go.
Osadebe. Osadebe. Osababa. Hi. Sadebe deceived me.
I always knew that guy was a rogue, a scammer, a thief. You know, the other day he came to the house, I overheard him telling you to get the land document. All he has ever done to you was to cause damage. All he does is extort money from you, ruin your salon business. What does he give you? That was why I went to take away the document. You would have sold the land by now. And look at you, here you are regretting ever even meeting him in the first place. Listen, sis, it's okay. It's in the past now. What is 150,000 naira that I cannot spend it to save my mother? I could even do more. But you told me the 150k was okay for you. And I sent it!
Hi.
Oh, Mama died of ignorance, God.
Hi. Osadebe. Osadebe nearly ruined my family.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry. I thought it was 15,000. I knew how Mama suffered, how we suffered to send you to school. And I thought that you didn't want to help. I didn't know. You sent 150.
It's okay.
It's Osadebe that caused this thing.
It's okay.
Osadebe that caused this thing. Osadebe, this thing will cause. God will curse you.
Amen.
May the word of God have done me into my Bible that anything that we don't want person to do us, we should not do the person. My God that has served in the Bible will curse you.
It's okay. It's
okay. He will curse you according to the book of Leviticus 20.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I'm forgiving you. It's okay. It's okay. It's past now. It's okay.
God that will punish us by them.
It's okay.
It's God that will punish us by them.
It's okay.
Enter inside. You want to scatter my family. My family are God. You want to scatter my family.
What did I do
You
now?
are wicked. You killed the mother and my mama. You killed the mother and my mama. You are a murderer. You are a murderer. Officer, follow us. Let us go to the police station. Follow us. You see yourself.
Them they call a troublemaker. Them they talk, she know they hear what oh. Everybody they point accusing fingers, but they don't know about the way she feel inside, yeah. Oh, a super story, oh. Super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around, oh. She only need a chance, oh. Oh, a super story, oh. Super story. Oh, she wants to turn things around, oh. She only need a chance, oh. She is strong and she's focused. And she's good and she bad, oh. She's a fighter, she fights, oh. But there are reasons to everything she do, oh. Oh, a super story.